Okay, guys, this is another video I just wanted to kind of put out there to show you what I've been working on and how I can help local businesses generate business pretty much overnight. I started working with this client on the 27th of July, and they're an appliance repair company. And what I've done is set up a pay-per-click campaign, very, very robust one. And basically, what you can see here is that we've had 65 phone calls for them since the 28th of July up until halfway through August 20th. Okay, so that's a lot of calls, and as you can see, some of these don't get answered, but some do. So these two got answered. This one right here. Let me go a little bit further down here. This one right here.
317.
See, so that one didn't get answered. This one was too short to get answered. Let's see what this one was here.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We do not work on those.
Okay, that one was a job that was an appliance repair job, but they didn't work on those. And then you've got another one here, 4 minutes and 30 seconds, another 4 minute and 30 second, 228. Here's a 41-second call. Let's see here.
Ready to get it, we'll give you a call.
Okay, so that was a job. Let's see here. Some of these just don't get answered. Okay, and this one here's another one. The phone was ringing, and so that one was not answered. And a lot of times people will think, they got everybody.
Please leave your message.
Claims they would answer the phone all the time. Well, it's surprising how many times people don't. So that's why it's really, really important we get this sent to a number where it's not necessarily an individual contractor that's going to be answering the phone when it rings, because they could be on a job. Well, here's a couple more jobs it looks like they got. Another 41-second call, which probably
Please leave your message.
Another missed call. So, there are 65 phone calls, and there's a lot of missed calls, but as you can see, there's a lot of jobs. And his average ticket for appliance repair is probably, I don't know, probably $250 to $700, depending on what the job is. But as you can see, he is getting a lot of phone calls, and he's very, very happy and about to refer me quite a bit of other business as well to different types of people that do trades, like painters, drywall people, etc. When the campaign's set up right, the calls come in almost immediately. But in all fairness, I do want to let you know that if you do decide to work with me on something like this, the first month will be the least successful. And the reason why is I'm going to try to be a good steward of your money and see if we can start to get the clicks for very, very low price. And then we can get those locked in, and then over time. And then the other thing too is in that first month, we'll find searches that are coming in that are not good searches that people are clicking on. So it might be appliance repair jobs, or looking for an appliance repair job might be the search term, and they may have clicked on it. So we would put a negative keyword so that search would not come up again, and there would be no way for somebody to click and have you waste your money on that. So as time goes by, we optimize these campaigns. You get more calls, and your money's just spent better and better and better every month. Now, the way I actually work with people on this, I charge a setup fee, I charge a monthly fee, and then the client has to pay for ad spend. So this is a great way to get business immediately, and there's other ways that I can help you as well, which are a little bit more organic. That takes a little bit more time, but that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. So if you know anybody who's a painter, drywall, whatever it may be, appliance repair, dryer vent cleaning, it doesn't really matter. I can set this up. It takes quite a bit of time and research. And, for this campaign, I think we have about 1,200 ads up. So we're covering all the bases. They're responsive. So that's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. So that's that. Jason Speckert, Big Noggin Marketing. You can reach me at 312-613-9166, and I'll be more than happy to spend some time with you and let you know how I can help you, if I can help you, and if I can, I'll get you pricing, okay? Thank you so much, and I hope this finds you well.